Look good, but I wouldn't say it's the worst that I've seen recently. Getting dizzy. So dizzy. Going down. Not yet. Okay. Did you see him before on this Gambia trip?
I saw him last night.
Last night for the first time?
Yeah.
I think he has a record-breaking number of mangoworms.
Under the skin?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. They would have died anyhow.
That is a disaster. As I said, we will start with the worms, and then we see how to go on.
Maybe some.
Chris, can you bring 2 more chairs, and everybody can take a piece of the dog and start removing.
Ouch! Stupid boy. The Gambian people, they didn't know such a thing exists.
No?
Because when I was calling, they didn't understand that.
Mm.
Sandwich. Worm sandwich.
Can you focus on the scrotum? On the test of it? Is this side finished now?
Yeah.
Okay. Our 2 tubab helpers gave up. This is one side.
I know, I recognize you. You have for the familial bench at the Bijilo Hotel.
Correct.
In your left side.
Correct.